Good morning. It's April 13th. I have another update for you today. So, I guess big things to talk about are Regents exams, update on grading, and the next gen math standards. So here we go. So I did attend a conference with Susan Broccoli from New York State Education Department. It was a math coordinators meeting that we have every week right now, which is usually 3 times a year, but just to keep up with everything. Good timing. It was right after the announcement last week. But something she said, you are heroes and you are the keepers for the potential of greatness. So I wanted to share that with you. I have these 2 links. I'll attach them to the email that you need to read if you haven't read already. The first is the announcement of the cancellation of the Regents exam. There's more than this also. You can continue to read about diploma requirements and things like that. There's also the frequently asked questions. That's the second link. You should read both. The second link answers a lot of what we will ask when we're reading it. Some of the questions that were asked during the conference last week were answered really from the frequently asked questions, except for one. So students who were scheduled to take a Regents or to retake a Regents this June are exempt from taking that Regents ever. We do not have information about the 2-year stretch courses that we offer, like our Math 9S and our Math 9E. Will the kids next year not have to take the Regents exam? We don't have information on that. There will be no credit by examination. As far as I know, we have one student who was trying to challenge the Regents this year, and there will be no credit by examination this year. The next gen math standards have been postponed. That means that for us, the most immediate change is Math 6. Teachers do not have to teach the additional standards that we had planned to teach this quarter in order to address the curriculum gap students would have next year in Math 7. So we do not have to do that. Math K through 5 and 7-8, teachers do not need to update the curriculum. We had planned to attend the workshop at BOCES and then work on the minor revisions of the curriculum, and we do not have to do that this year. I know some of you are deciding on whether you're going to do it this year or next year, in 7th and 8th in particular, so you let me know. Either way is fine with me. We will have an additional year to plan for the curriculum updates in Algebra, Geometry, and Algebra 2, and you can refer to the next slide. Looks familiar because we used it before it was revised this month. Everything has just moved down 1 year. Grading, this came up on the questions Jamboard. I shouldn't say beginning today, I should say beginning April 6th last week. But valid grades are P, incomplete, and missing. Missing means they didn't do it, and it counts as an F in calculation. And incomplete means they did it, typo, and it's not acceptable for passing and counts as an F in the calculation. We have not received guidance regarding how grades will count for 4th marking period, and the running grade and GPA will not be displayed for the quarter. Virtual PD, lots and lots of virtual PD sessions that people have signed up for. I've been seeing them on Frontline. So if you attend some of the titles look fantastic. If you attend anything that is that you find to be very helpful, you can, if you would not mind, add it to our online resources sheet. I've attached that link, but we had it there before. So you could include that information on there. And again, the question sheet is blank and open for any questions that you might have. If anything is a little more time sensitive, you can always shoot me an email. And even if it's not, you can shoot me an email. It's fine. Okay? Thanks. Bye.